Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the twin turbo Forester back in the garage. Alright, so on the other side of that gate, I've got this Skyline. We're going to jump start the Forester and we'll get her in here. Alright, got her charging. The reason it wasn't even enough in there for the central locking to work. Like when unlocking it from one door. The remote doesn't work anyways. Yeah, we need to get it back in. I need to clean up around here. Alright, she's on. Let's get her back in. Woo. Probably really shouldn't be doing this, mainly because I haven't put the V-band on, and so we've got an exhaust leak, and the O2 sensor is after that exhaust leak, so we are definitely not running properly. I've got a lot of room on this side. Need a new grill. Yeah, enough room. We've got to get rid of some cranks, take them to work. Alright, so yeah, Skyline's out of action for a little while, but let the battery charge up a bit. Been sitting for a little bit. Okay, it's been driving the black pods. Anyways, get back to this red one. The twin turbo, the compound turbo Foz is back in the garage.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so that last scene was actually filmed over a week ago. Went on a fishing trip for 4 days, much needed break, and I'm back, and I'm looking at this, and this is not looking good. So, haven't got a hose yet to actually wash all this down, so I'm just going to get a bucket and a chamois and clean off the bonnet and see how bad these scratches are from our dog that we did have. Unfortunately, we ended up rehoming that particular dog. Wasn't my choice, but yeah, she was a little bit out of control, and for Emerson being only 2, she was starting to lay on him a bit. So yeah, she went to a loving home with another Staffy, which is okay, but now we can get this out there, and our little pug can't jump up on it and chew these off. So let's clean this up, see how deep these scratches are, if they're okay. Might even get the buff out in this episode and clean this bonnet up. Now guys, do you think I should put the GT bonnet back on with the scoop? It's just really going to get air over the turbo, or should I just leave it like that? Alright guys, so unfortunately over the next maybe month or 6 weeks, I'm pretty busy with like family stuff. There's lots of birthdays, lots of events, and let's see what we can actually get out. So I might not be getting the normal 3 episodes out a week, maybe 1, stretching probably 2. I'll do the best I can. Yeah, definitely need to clean up this garage again. Alright, so it's my dad's birthday tomorrow, so we won't be out here tomorrow night. And then Saturday, we're going to the Melbourne show. Sunday, it's Marley's birthday, my eldest son. So I won't be out here at all over the weekend. And then the start of November, it's Emerson's birthday. He's turning 3. And it's also family friend's birthday. He's my brother's birthday. Pretty much weekends are gone. So I'm going to try to get out here as much as possible. Also, the missus is starting a new job next week, so the whole kid arrangement is changing as well. So hopefully I can get out here. So I really want to finish this, at least get it driving and on the road for this summer. because I've got some big plans for this. Fingers crossed we can make it work. But I think I might need another paint job. Let's clean this up, see how it looks. Alright, so still drying off, but as you can tell, this bonnet isn't the best. These are all chips, but you might actually notice that this red is actually not the same as the GT red. So, what are your thoughts on a different red to paint it? I'm thinking maybe like the Mazda red, or just go ahead and redo it in stock. What do you reckon? Give it a good clean up. We've got scratches on the roof too. Hopefully the window's not all scratched up. Need a new grill. The grill isn't the same colour as this either because it's off a NA model. This Zero Sports Wingding needs a new paint job. That's not the right shade either. So, after I get the car running up and all good, paint job, or when I've got the engine out to do the cams, do I do a paint job then? Let me know, guys. Lots of things going on for this. Lots of things. I think we need a couple more Haltech things too. I currently can't see air fuel ratio unless I've got my laptop there, because I don't have the O2 sensor up the top here anymore. I just have the Haltech, which is down before the cat. Also guys, some of you may know, maybe not, my dad is, for the last few years, he's been getting into billy carts. He's been making them for all his grandkids, and he has entered the Red Bull billy cart race in Melbourne, and we actually got accepted. So I'm actually the driver, and I'm kind of peaking a little bit because there are jumps and berms and stuff. So in December we'll be in Melbourne doing a billy cart race down a hill in the CBD. Hopefully I don't stack, but if you want to know any more info, just comment down below. Do you think I should do like a playlist of the Red Bull billy cart race? Because he is building it at his place, the original Harrods Garage, so I could film up there. Red Bull actually wants us to film and put it up online, so I can put it up on this channel. I can put it up onto Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and stuff like that. That's what they want us to do. Is that what you want on this channel? Just like a little side project. But anyway, back to this. Hopefully the bonnet's dry. Let's have a look. Holy. You know what, guys? I really don't think this is even worth buffing because of the amount of stone chips, dents. Yeah. If you didn't know, I've also got a black one, black bonnet, NA bonnet. It's off the same as these guards. Now, these guards need to get changed out, but yeah, so much to do. I don't even know where to start. It's what happens when you have a week off. Alright, I know that I need to get all that off again because we need to sand down that exhaust flange off the TDO 5, which is the bottom one there, so we have a good seal. Alright Alright guys, let's be honest. I am absolutely struggling at the moment getting back into the swing of things after having a week off, having 4 days away fishing, camping. I am in a struggle town. So, what do you guys want to see? To see more of the twin turbo, the XT, SG that I just got, black one. Do you want to see more Skyline stuff? Skyline sitting out there, needs a bit of work. Got a front bar coming from Japan for that. Yeah, I'm struggling. I think a garage cleanup would actually help me get into the right mindset of doing this. Yeah, probably not tonight, but yeah. You want to see more like DIY stuff? You want to see more welding, just driving stuff, tuning stuff, drive-bys, exhaust sounds. Yeah, I don't know. Do you want like a build update on the twin turbo fuzz? Yeah. Comment down below, guys. This project it's getting expensive. What are your thoughts of trying to get a sponsorship for the channel or for this car? What are your thoughts? Yeah, definitely not in the mood for this tonight. I think I'm just gonna finish this episode here. I'm going inside, write up a list of things I need to do, and also probably write up a build list of what I've actually done to the Forester, the twin turbo Forester, so I have a bit more of a chance of maybe getting a sponsorship for the car. Make things a lot easier, and we'll come back with a cleaner garage. So yeah, so next episode, guys, we are getting the turbo off, and we'll sand it back down. We'll clean up the engine bay a bit more. We'll move some hoses around, get rid of some wires that we don't need, and hopefully we can get this running without an exhaust leak. Alright guys, sorry it's a bit of a bummer, a bit of a downer this episode, but if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and please comment down below your thoughts on some of the things that I've said in this episode. Really appreciate it, and I will catch you next episode. Bye.